showdown. Ultimate destiny, good guys, bad guys, and explosions. As far as the eye can see, and only one will survive. I wonder who it will be. This is the ultimate showdown.
Welcome to BakYard Poker, a channel dedicated to expanding your poker palette beyond just Texas Hold'em. I'm Ryan, and today I'm going to be showing how to play the poker game Dollar-Dollar Showdown with optional side bets. This was a game mentioned in my Poker Basics video on house rules and etiquette. I'll leave the link in the description below. So before I actually explain how to play the game, I'd like to first mention when this game is typically played. This is what I would classify as a grand finale game. Grand finales are usually the last game played at your scheduled end time for your poker game. They also usually involve higher stakes, so you shouldn't play them before the last game. Typically, the host will have a grand finale game listed on his or her house rules along with the end time it will be played. As you can see here, this is my actual house rules I send to all my guests. I list the end time and the final game played. Okay, so let's head over to my BakYard table and I'll explain how to play Dollar-Dollar Showdown with side bets. Welcome to the BakYard, everybody. Dollar-Dollar Showdown is a pretty simple game. I'll first explain the basic game, then talk about side bets after. So just like any other poker game I've explained in my previous videos, the dealer shuffles the deck, offers the cut to the player on the right, and puts in the ante. In this case, everyone puts in $2 into the pot. This is the ante, but it's also what the winner will win at the end of the game. There is no further betting in this game. After that, the dealer just deals 5 cards face up to everyone at the table. And slow down a little when you get to the last few cards, just to let that suspense build a little. Whoever has the highest poker hand showing wins the pot. Any tied poker hands would be a split pot. So in this case, the dealer has a pair of 10s, which looks like it's the highest hand showing, so the dealer would rake in the entire pot. I told you this was an easy game. Now let's talk about adding side bets to this game to make things more interesting. Now, if any side bets are going to be done, I highly suggest you use a second deck of cards to use as indicators for these side bets. And this deck should look different than the deck you're using to prevent any confusion. As you can see here, I have my gold-colored $100 bill deck of cards to use as indicators. So the way side bets work is at the beginning of the game, before the dealing starts, anyone at the table can announce a side bet and the high or low card of any suit. So let's say a player says dollar bet on high diamond. Then that player and anyone interested in that side bet can add an extra $1. Be sure to keep this money separate from the main pot. And here's where the second deck comes into play. For high diamond, an ace of diamonds can be put on the table and all of those side bets can be placed on top of it. Then let's say somebody else says 50 cents for low club. The 2 of clubs can be used to indicate the low club, and all of those side bets can be placed on top of it. And of course, let's not forget the $2 for everybody's main ante. You would then deal out the 5 cards exactly like before, and have the high poker hand and the side bets go to the appropriate winners. Okay, so let's see what we got. Let's start with the high diamond side bet to see who wins that side bet. Looks like player 3 has the ace of diamonds over here, so player 3 would get this side bet money. Now let's look at the low club side bet. And it looks like player 1 over here with the 3 of clubs has the lowest club showing, so that person would get this side bet money. And then the main pot, it's pretty obvious, would go to the 3 kings here by player 2. It was pretty interesting because player 3 had a pair of 7s and player 4 had a pair of 10s. But 3 kings is the winner and scoops the main pot. And that's how you play Dollar-Dollar Showdown with side bets. Well, I hope you enjoyed learning how to play Dollar-Dollar Showdown with side bets. If you want to know more about playing this home dealer's choice backyard style poker, check out my links in the description below. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more backyard poker games in the near future.